What is this stuff on my face? It makes your skin soft and smooth. Is that terrible? Oh, sorry. I can't believe you cut my hair. And what did you put in it? Some hairspray? Hairspray? Not much. You like it? There. Wow, my nails look great. Everybody can too? Oh, no. Oh, my hair look great too. See what a little personal cat can do. Wow, thank you so much. You know, it's customary to tip the person who gives you a haircut. How do I look? Good. You look really, really good. You look amazing. Then let's get pizza. My tree. Great! You can never tell anyone about this, especially the facial. Deal! Now, when can I get an appointment for another Mercury?